If you're sitting on the other side of that screen, just endlessly searching for a way to stop your excessive sweating, you're really going to love this video. Now, everyone wishes that there was this easy, effective way to stop the sweating. And the truth is, depending on the cause of your profuse sweating problem, treatments may or may not be that simple. It really depends on you. For some individuals, Botox injections or surgical procedures may be required, but for others, treatment can be as simple as just drinking more water or cutting down on spicy foods. It really depends on you. Now, you're sort of in luck because chances are your sweating problem shouldn't take a whole lot to overcome. Even if you can't cure the problem, you can certainly take measures to start controlling it immediately. But first, let's talk about what causes the excessive sweating. There's no short answer. For some, there's no detectable cause. They may be considered to have a condition known as primary hyperhidrosis, which essentially means that the nerves that send signals to the sweat glands are overactive. And sometimes other medical conditions, such as an overactive thyroid gland or diabetes, can cause profuse sweating. Treatment for these conditions will help keep the sweating at bay. If you've been diagnosed with any sort of medical condition, ask your doctor what it is that's causing the actual excessive sweating. Even those, in excellent health aren't immune to excessive sweating problems. Certain foods and drinks may trigger the sweat glands. Poor hygiene can also cause sweating, since bacteria and germs accumulate when the skin isn't thoroughly cleaned and dried. So whatever the cause of your excessive sweating problem, you can try a few treatments or home remedies to sort of get started at conquering this condition. If you don't want to have to go to the doctor to get a prescription antiperspirant, you can try a few over-the-counter products. Be sure to use extra-strength antiperspirants or deodorants, such as Drysol or Certain Dry. Now, Drysol in some states does require a prescription, but Certain Dry is widely available in most drugstores. Acupuncture is also a really great treatment that a lot of people don't know about. It can be used to treat excessive sweating, and it's believed by some that the root cause of the sweating problem is an imbalance of the body's qi energy. I know that sounds a little out there, but acupuncture does actually work, and it does improve circulation in your body. And this type of procedure has been done for thousands of years. And what they do is they target certain areas of the body called dermatomes. And these dermatomes actually have a direct effect on the sympathetic nervous system, which is the system in your body that controls sweating. Taking good care of yourself is very important, and this will help reduce sweating. Things as simple as eating right, exercising, drinking lots of water. Water actually cools internal body temperature. Getting enough vitamins and minerals, they'll all improve your overall health, which will result in less sweating. So you should also shower and bathe at least twice a day if you have excessive sweating, just to sort of take the hygiene variable out of the whole thing. And try using an antibacterial soap when you're bathing or showering, because that will dry the skin and that will cut down on the excessive sweating. And if you can, try going at least 1 week without eating any junk food and see if that makes a big difference. And junk food can include red meat, processed foods, spicy foods. They may contain a lot of toxins that make it hard for your digestive system to break down. And this means your body may be stressed out, and may be overworking, it may be raising its body temperature, which will cause you to sweat more. So try cutting out some of these foods, even for a week, and I think you'll find that it's really going to help your overall sweating problem. Green tea works very well too. Green tea is well known for cleansing toxins out of the body. It actually contains a type of caffeine called L-theanine, and it sort of has a more calming effect. That's usually an oxymoron, calming and caffeine, but L-theanine, it makes your body react differently than the caffeine than, let's say, is in coffee. It actually calms your body and does wake it up a bit. It can also help decrease anxiety, which can cause anxiety-induced sweating. So try to calm your nerves by drinking green tea every day. And since your body is unique, these might not all work for you. The best thing you can do to improve your health and take good care of yourself is try all of them. Excessive sweating is a problem that can be subdued as long as you stay away from things like drugs and alcohol, unhealthy foods. These things